There are films which are produced and released in a jiffy, and then there are films which are released in theatres after several years. This can be due to financial problems or even some external reasons. Today we are going to see the list of 10 Indian films which got a release after many years. Before we get on with the list, let's just remind you about the subscribe button and that little bell icon for the newcomers. We also want to thank our routine followers for your constant support. Now let's get on with the list. Number 10, Deewana Main Deewana, 10 years. This Priyanka Chopra Govinda starrer is a romantic thriller. The film was released worldwide on February 1st, 2013. The film was shot approximately in 2003, but the release was delayed due to various reasons. The film is a Hindi remake of the Tamil film Priyamudan, which itself was inspired by the film Gupt. The film, as expected, didn't find any takers when it finally got a theatrical release.
I am Sharad Kumar from CBI. Mr. Vasant Kumar, आपके होने वाले ससुर का जिसने भी मर्डर किया है, वो हमारी गिरफ्त से बच नहीं सकता.
Number 9, Ye Lamhe Judai Ke, 10 years. Ye Lamhe Judai Ke was initially started in 1994 under the title Jadoo, with Shah Rukh Khan and Raveena Tandon selected to portray lead roles. However, the film was stalled after shooting few scenes. The film was revived in 2004 with a different title and was reshot with different actors, altering the storyline completely as both SRK and Raveena did not want to be a part of the film anymore. The film went out of the theatres without a trace.
इन पैसों पर तुम्हारा पूरा हक है. तुम्हारी बहुत मेहरबानी है मुझ पर. मैंने जय को हमेशा के लिए खो दिया है सर. मैं अपनी नजरों में बहुत गिर गया हूँ.
सिर्फ 2 हाथ और इतनी सारी गर्दनें, कैसे मारूंगा इन सबको?
बदला लेने मैं सिर्फ तेरे लिए ही आया हूँ.
Number 8, Mughal-e-Azam, 14 years. K. Asif's Mughal-e-Azam, 1960, took more than 14 years to complete following the death of the lead actor Chandra Mohan. He was replaced by Dilip Kumar, but the time taken to release did little to the film's box office prospects as it became one of the highest grossing films ever.
मैं तुम्हारी आंखों में अपनी मोहब्बत का इकरार देखना चाहता हूँ.
मेरी आंखों से मेरे ख्वाब न छीनिए शहजादी. मैं मर जाऊंगी.
इश्क में दुनिया लुटा कर हम भी देखेंगे. किसी के इश्क में दुनिया लुटा कर.
Number 7, Sanam Teri Kasam, 15 years. This movie tried to capitalize the growing popularity of Saif Ali Khan by having a hip title called Sanam Teri Kasam. But the film had already changed its name twice from Ye Pyar Hi To Hai and Sambandh. The film starred Alia Bhatt's elder sister Pooja Bhatt. The movie, which eyed a release in 1994, finally saw the light of day 15 years later in 2009, but not for long as it was canned immediately.
सीमा को मैं तेरे लिए नहीं, अपने लिए लाया हूँ.
मेरी शादी विजय से नहीं, गोपाल से हुई है. क्या?
आपको अपने पति के कमरे में होना चाहिए था, ना कि अपने पुराने प्रेमी के कमरे में.
Number 6, Pakeeza, 16 years. Pakeeza took 16 years to reach the silver screen. A tribute by a husband to his wife, Pakeeza was indeed a great last tribute to the legendary Meena Kumari, who acted in the film while suffering from her cirrhosis of liver. She died a few weeks after the film was released. The film became a cult classic and was one of Meena Kumari's biggest hits till date.
इनका नाम पाकीज़ा है.
Number 5, Kutra Patrikai, Tamil, 16 years. The film began in 1991 and was stuck for 13 years as the censor board refused to allow such a film with a drastic political message to be released. The film finally released in March 2007 with several cuts. The movie did below average business. Number 4, Zamanat, 18 years. The movie script was okayed in the year 1986 and it took them 10 years to get the ball rolling for the film. This last film of the legendary S. Ramanathan, who introduced Amitabh Bachchan to Hindi films, was a damp squib when it finally released in 2014. The movie had a young Arshad Warsi playing the second fiddle, and it had Karishma Kapoor too.
मैं कहना ये चाहता हूँ कि ये सूरज के खिलाफ एक साजिश है, उसे फंसाने के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी साजिश।
याद रखना।
स्टूडेंट!
Number 3, Love and God, 23 years. Love and God, or Kais aur Laila, 1986, took more than 20 years to make after running into a series of difficulties, including the deaths of the lead actor Guru Dutt in 1964 and director K. Asif in 1971. The incomplete film was finally released in 1986 with Sanjeev Kumar taking over the lead role. The movie still holds the Guinness record for the longest produced film ever.
चांदनी रातें मुझे उदास क्यों नजर आती हैं? जिंदगी मौत का सहारा क्यों ढूंढती है? इस वीरान आगोश को किसका इंतजार है?
Number 2, Om Darbadar, 26 years. Om Darbadar is a 1988 Indian postmodernist film directed by Kamal Swaroop and starring Anita Kanwar, Aditya Lakhia and Gopi Desai in lead roles. This film had a cult following. It even got a Filmfare Critic Best Film and many other film festival awards, and is hailed as a spectacular experiment in Indian cinema industry by many, especially filmmakers, as the film never got a theatrical release. But after the efforts of NFDC, the film finally released in Indian theatres after 26 years on 17th January 2014.
जब मैं बबली के पेट में गुम हुआ, उन जातीय स्मृतियों की रिवर्स यात्रा के दौरान मैं आतंकारी टेटपोलों के संपर्क में आया। वहां टरों के सम्राट कंप्यूटर का साम्राज्य था।
Number 1, Yaar Meri Zindagi, 37 years. The shooting for the film started in the year 1971 and was initially directed by Mukul Dutt, but he left the project in 1976 after having numerous problems and creative differences. Then, Ashok Gupta took over the mantle as director in 1993 and completed it within a year, but he too had issues in releasing the film. Finally, the film did get a small release in the year 2008, a good 37 years after the film started the shoot.
ये मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है अजय।
ये मेरे उसूलों का सवाल है।
क्या?
तुम मेरे लिए मेरी दोस्ती की खातिर एक बार अपने उसूलों को तोड़ नहीं सकते? उसूलों के लिए मैं सिर्फ अपनी जान दे सकता हूँ। क्या विक्रम की दोस्ती तुम्हारे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखती? तुम्हारी दोस्ती सराखों पर।
What do you think of this list? Did we miss out on any films? Please do write to us if so. And if you have any top 5 or top 10 ideas, feel free to write to us. Our mail ID is simplychumma@gmail.com. Do not shy away from the like button and the share button. This will surely make us happier and encourage us to make better videos. Think about it.